Hi guys, welcome to BCCA. My name is Vikran and I am your law faculty. So how are you guys? You are in a relaxed mode, right? You have given your CMA Intermediate Group 1 and Group 2 examination and you are now in a chill mode and yeah, I think that okay, you are in a relaxed and a chill mode. So be chill guys, no problem. There is no need to get worried till the result date. Okay, be chill and relaxed mode. Okay. So yes. We came across many students and many students have given us feedback that our marathons, BCCA marathons, sir, it gave a benefit for us and useful for us. That is what many students from many places also they have given us a comment, the feedback. So the point is, we also know from our heart, yeah, I can speak that these marathons are really useful for many students. Yes, if it is really useful, please put it in a comment. And are you confident or not? Whether you are confident or not, please provide it in a comment section. Okay, so that it would give a boost to us. Okay. Now the point is, what people think is after we providing the marathons at the examination time, what people and students think is, are marathons are sufficient, Babu? That is sufficient. We'll go to the examination just by straight away relying upon marathon. Okay, that is what people think. Okay, for example, I'll give you a practical example, guys. We have discussed our marathon, that is 100% English marathon in the June 2025 attempt. Yes or no? So while we were discussing in that marathon, we have come across many topics. Okay, this is a June 2025 attempt question paper. See, this is a June 2025 attempt question paper, and let's go to the descriptive concepts. In that descriptive concept, see, we have discussed about a bailment concept. Yes or no? Bailment concept, straight away the same question. Okay, just names and bottles and everything. Just a slight difference was there, but everything we have discussed. The same question was given in June 2025 attempt also, which we discussed in the marathon. Okay, same question. Okay, if you have noticed this also, Mr. Mohan is a director, that is 8B question. This is about the resignation of a director. This is about resignation of a director. So to resign from the office of a director, okay, what is the procedure that we discussed in the marathon? So it was given. So 7 plus 7, 14 marks was straight away given from the marathon. Okay, then we have discussed about 4 attributes of emotional intelligence. That was straight away given. It have come from marathon itself. Then we have discussed about powers of directors. Yes or no? Yeah, if yes, please comment yes in the comment section. Okay, powers of directors. Yes, we have discussed powers of directors. If you want to check, go and check in the free resources material. We have discussed about the powers of directors also. Okay, we go and check the marathon also. We have discussed these concepts. Powers of directors, duties of the directors. We have discussed all these concepts in the marathon. And I already told you, if at all from ESI, if question is being asked, they will be asking from only 2 concepts, that is benefits and purposes. Benefits, it was being asked. Okay, this also we discussed in the marathon. So from just relying upon marathon, we got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 questions. 6 7 marks questions, guys. 6 7 marks questions. So 6 into 7, how many marks is that? 6 into 7, it is around 42 marks. Just straight away relying upon marathon, you can get about 42 marks. See, out of total 70 marks of descriptive, you are getting 42 marks from the marathon itself. That is sufficient, huh? Okay, yes, that is more than enough. Okay, so from this 42 marks, if you rely upon this 42 marks, then what you are getting? You will be getting around 30 or 32 marks. 30 or 32 marks. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Then what about MCQs? What about MCQs? For example, if you are getting in MCQs around if 10 MCQs are correct, you are getting around 20 marks. You are getting around 20 marks. So in total, you will be getting 52 marks. In just a law subject, you are getting 52 marks. Is that really sufficient? Guys, I'm short I can tell you, marathon is sufficient to qualify the examination. Marathon is sufficient to qualify in a subject. That I can straightforwardly tell you. Okay, that is my gut feeling also. Marathon, just relying upon marathon, you can surely pass in the examination. That I can tell you. But marathon is not sufficient to qualify the group, my dear students. The main core area is to qualify the group. Did you get my point? Is to qualify in the aggregate. That is a point, no? So many of the students, they are in a misconception that marathons is sufficient. They are thinking like that only. Babjis, from my perspective, what I want to say is marathon is not at all sufficient to clear the group. Marathons are sufficient to clear the subject. Did you get my point? Marathon is sufficient to clear the subject but not the group, my dear students. See, to clear the group or to clear both groups, you need to have some subject knowledge, the conceptual clarity. You need to have conceptual clarity. If you do not have conceptual clarity, then there may be a chances of losing the attempt. Did you get my point? There may be a chance of losing the attempt. So what I suggest is just don't rely upon marathon and go for the exam. Yes, I can tell you from my gut feeling, I can tell you, Babjis, you can easily qualify in a subject, but not a group. Our target is to qualify in the group. Okay, aggregate. That is a point. Did you get my point? Simple. So to clear the group, I already told you, we need to have a proper conceptual clarity. And that conceptual clarity will be provided only when you have 100% understanding on the subject. Okay, if you have 100% understanding on the subject only, then you can give your exam in a utmost manner. Okay, utmost manner, you can feel relaxed and be chill also. So what I suggest from my side to you guys is, I know that you guys have given your attempt well, but you might have your colleagues or juniors or your friends who have not given this June 2025 attempt well. Okay, I ask and I suggest you guys to suggest your friends or colleagues or juniors who have not given their attempt well to take regular classes. Okay, instead of taking the regular classes is better. Yes or no? In BCCA, we have already launched the regular classes for CMA Inter Group 2. That is in the last week. Now, this week, CMA Inter Group 1 regular class courses have already commenced. Okay, and you can straight away enroll in that batch. You might ask me a question, sir, what are the modes of these classes? Guys, there are 3 modes of these classes. One is offline class, second one is online live batch. This is online live batch, and third one is recorded classes. If you or your friends or colleagues, if you want to join in the offline class, you can straight away join, no problem in that. Or if you cannot come to Newsweek, okay, you can opt for recorded classes or online live classes. Whatever it may be, you can straight away opt for. Okay, did you get my point? So if you have any details regarding these classes, regarding this batch, you can contact these numbers. For online details, you can contact this number. For offline details, you can contact this number. Or if you are interested to come and visit the college, you can come here and straight away visit the campus. Okay, BCCA headquarters, Newsweek. Okay, so if you have any queries, I already told you, you can call to this above numbers. So all the best. Don't waste your time. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.